Freelancer.com is a widely known freelancing platform, so we will not give a boring intro about it. However, the contests freelancers make are really important for you as a starting freelancer, and that is for the following reasons. You may already have projects, portfolio, and a GitHub account on which you share all of that. But don't you wanna see the details of a real project and try to make it the right way and see how some clients may interact with your work? Freelancer contests may not be the best platform for that, but believe me, it's one of the rare ones. You can consider it an intern to practice your skills in a real project-based environment. So why not? Winning 3 or 4 contests will enable you to make strong profile with ratings that potentially can work for you as a freelance source of income. However, in everything there are pros and cons. So freelancer contests has a good value in it, that's true, but make sure you avoid scammers in the contests. Those who don't put clear description to what they want, the client who is not responsive for days and days, client without prior ratings and who has low ratings. At the end, I wish for all the listeners good luck and the ability to achieve themselves as fast as possible as programmers. Just keep the good work and one day it will pay you back.